Crypto fast food progression event is live on Rollercoin and it has been going on for a few days and there are still a few more days remaining. Let's check it out right here on That Techo Guy. Stay tuned. Alright, so let's jump right into it. On my screen here you can see the Rollercoin games section, and at the very top here you can see that I've received all rewards and I've completed the crypto fast food progression event. More details, and we can see that here there are 3 days 8 hours remaining at the time of recording this video, and the Pepe John's uncommon miner is the most powerful miner that you can receive in this progression event with 2.6 petahash per second. So I'm going to go through the list of points like I normally do, although they're not listed here because obviously I've already received all the rewards, so those are now gone. But to get to a higher difficulty level in the game, it was 600 points. And if you spend 1 RLT anywhere except in the marketplace, that's going to get you 1000 points. Besides that, there is also the crafting offer, and that's going to give you 2500 points for each and every RLT that you spend on a crafting offer. There is also around 200 or 250 points if you spend 1 RLT in the marketplace as well. I think it was 200 points if I'm not mistaken. The crafting offers are going on at the moment as well. There are more crafting offers going on. There are these crafting offers at the time of recording this video right now, and there are 2 days remaining for these. So take advantage of these and get those 2500 points for each and every RLT that you spend on the crafting offer, because that will significantly help boost your progression in the progression event. Obviously, if you do have a multiplier, that will get you through the event even faster, because those 2500 points will be multiplied, obviously, depending on the multiplier you have. Now, I completed this progression event with a times 16 multiplier. I took it very easy. 1 hour was more than ample time. This is a 22 level progression event, really a 20 level progression event, but there are 2 premium levels, and we're going to go through that list right now thanks to the list provided by Piero. So here we have the rewards list, starting off from level 1, going all the way down to level 22, with the last 2 levels being the premium levels, which are additional rewards. So let's get started from the very top. Here we have the season token 5 RST at level 1, and we also have the event pass EXP at level 2, where you get 15 EXP, and that will help you get through the season pass and progress through those rewards and get all those trains at the moment even faster. Further down there is another 45 EXP at level 10, so that's going to net you 60 EXP, which is the maximum number of event pass EXP you can get in this progression event. Further down we can see that there are several miners as well. We've got the BitAce here, which is the legendary version at level 13. We've also got the Corn Popper, which is the uncommon version here, giving you 367 terahash and a 0.55% bonus if you don't already own that miner. We've got the Mother, which I didn't have personally myself. There are 2 versions of this. The first version won't give you any percentage bonus, but it'll give you 210 terahash. And the uncommon version will give you 551 terahash and also a 0.4% bonus as well, okay? So bonus power here is a good one. It is 3 petahash, but it's temporary bonus power for 7 days. But nonetheless, it's still 3 petahash for those 7 days. So you get a full week with a bonus of 3 petahash added to your mining power. Pepe John's at level 20. If you actually manage to get that, you'll get 1 petahash and a 0.5% bonus. There is the same thing at level 21, and there is the uncommon one that I mentioned before, which is the most powerful at 2.6 petahash with 1.2% bonus power. Now, at level 20 and level 21, if you get both of these Pepe Johns, those common ones, you can merge them into another uncommon, and then you can actually merge the uncommon that you get at level 22, if you manage to get that as well, and merge that with the other 2, and you'll be able to get the rare when you merge those 2 uncommons. If you don't manage to get to the very last level, you can just merge level 20 and level 21 miners and get the uncommon and still get the 2.6 petahash with a 1.2% bonus. I personally would try my best to get all of them if you possibly can. The points are not all that overwhelming. I mean, it's 4 million to get to the uncommon very last one for that. So the total number of points that you need are 8.9 million plus that 4 million. That will give you around 12 million points that you need to totally get in this progression event. Almost 13 million points that you need to get. Definitely nothing like the last progression event where we needed over, I believe, 40 million, if not more, to get all those. But obviously there were more rewards and more higher power rewards as well. So if you can actually try to get all of them, you'll actually keep the percentage bonus for both the uncommon and also the Pepper John's 1.2% as well. So you'll be able to actually keep 1.7% bonus in total if you actually keep those, okay? And that is exactly what I did. For this one, then I could maybe sell it off, okay? Unless I'm thinking of actually merging it just to get the power. Because you could merge it and just say, okay, I got 1.2% bonus. I don't care that I'm not going to get the other 1.2% bonus, but I do care that I'm going to get another 2.6 petahash in power, okay? So you can look at it that way as well. So that is pretty much the list for this event. As I have explained already, I got through this progression event with a times 16 multiplier. So I basically deposited, if you go to multiplier in Piero's list here, we can see that to get times 16 with a 35% discount, and I did take advantage of that 35% discount, which was on Matic. That is $102 worth instead of actually having to spend $150 worth of crypto, okay? I used the crypto that I had in the game itself, that I earned from the game itself, and I also deposited a bit from my exchange where I had some other crypto stashed away. So that will basically give me that multiplier, which I actually managed to get through, okay? You've got until the 27th of May, so there's still a few more days remaining, 3 days remaining for you to be able to complete this progression event. 27th of May until 3 p.m. UTC time. Don't forget about the crafting offers and everything else that's going on. And something very important that I wish to highlight is that when you're actually getting the rewards and exchanging crypto for the multiplier, you're actually currently completing also the puzzle event that's still going on and still has another 7 hours remaining at the time of recording this video. So look at all the ones that I opened, because I was exchanging. So when I was exchanging those RLTs for that multiplier, I was also completing these tasks and managed to open up many more, and also got mine and dance. I got one of those, so another 1.8 petahash with 1.5% bonus, and several other miners and rewards that I managed to open up here. Obviously, when I was actually exchanging, I knew that this was going to be kind of giving me double, triple the rewards. It's not just the progression event, it was the progression in the puzzle event as well. Helped me get to the Arcadester as well, so I managed to get this 2.8 petahash miner as well. So I got two of those, I can potentially merge those. And I actually got the mine and dance as well with 1.5% bonus and more rewards, plus the rewards from the progression event as well, and the ones that I'm opening from the puzzle, okay? So the ones that I'm opening from the puzzle, the ones I'm getting from the top progress bar here in the puzzle event, and the progression event rewards as well. So triple the rewards, if you want to look at it that way, when you're still exchanging the same value of RLT with a 35% discount that you would in any other circumstance when there are no puzzle events going on. So make sure to take advantage of this while you still can. Unfortunately, there are no more discounts, but when there are discounts, you can take advantage of those. I don't know if there'll be any other discounts coming soon. That is how you should strategize in this game. Take advantage of those 35%, 20% discounts when they are available. At the time when the progression event did come out, there was a 35% discount on Matic, and normally there is always some sort of discount going on when progression events do start, okay? So be sure to keep these things in mind. So that is pretty much it from me. I hope that you found this video useful and that you enjoyed it. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below. Smash the like button and hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves, and thanks for watching.